Hello, friends and family, fellow teachers. This is Teacher Miss Cece. Hello, how are you today? As promised, this video is about showing YouTube video in your classroom, applying ManyCam, this time directly. So let's take a look at one of the presets that I have. I have selected under video picture-in-picture mode, and this is one of the presets that I have set up previously, and you can drag your picture anywhere you like. Okay, and this is my waiting room, and I like to show you how I can right click and go to YouTube URL, and here I can copy and paste the actual video I want to show my student. Okay, now I have prepared on another Internet Explorer. Oh, actually this one is Safari, and that's fine. My actual watermelon is really famous now, right? Video. I can right click on share and copy the link. Okay, this is where you copy it, and then you can go back to your ManyCam and you right click, you go to YouTube URL, and this is where you paste. Now it won't work for some of your computers. If your laptop is really old, it doesn't have enough memory space. If your internet is slow, it won't work either. If the servers have any problem in between the connection, it also will not work. Okay, so have some patience, and you can keep copy and pasting until it works, or you can look up another tutorial under my playlist on how to play multiple videos under your desktop. Okay, so if this doesn't work, go to my other tutorial. So now that it's been selected, you can go ahead and hit play, right? But I'll save that, and I'll show you how to load the classroom under Tutor Meet Plus. Go ahead and log in to your consultant tutorabc.com page now. I'll wait for you for a moment. Yes, you can actually pause my video here, play it on your phone, and then just go to the computer or your laptop and run this through with me real time. And if you're already on consultant, tap not feedback report. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. I'll show you. Yes, so far it's been all tens. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Enough bragging. I think of this as building credibility. Okay, let's go to Tutor Meet Plus Practice Classroom. I won't go to Tutor Meet Practice because I can't manipulate the camera and make it bigger. And Tutor Meet Plus allows us to make the screen bigger and show a better camera. So now we start practice and continue practicing. Click on that. Now this video is really quick, so make sure you pause, and again, I can't say it enough. All right, click OK here, turn the camera and the sound on. Okay, so I can't say enough. If this is too quick for you, pause, okay, and keep practicing with me on the same page. And now you've seen my waiting room picture. Of course, you pick your best picture and best angle too. I'll go over how to take good pictures, even though you are having a bad hair day, you can still have good pictures, okay? Or maybe you're so swollen up from teaching all night. All right, so here I bring back ManyCam. Make sure you're in a ManyCam. I select in my waiting room the video and I click on play. Right, here's my watermelon video. I have another preset just next to this without my picture, but I don't think the student will know that they're watching this in the waiting room, okay? So I like the fact that I have my picture in there. Now at the same time, you can go to another preset where your FaceTime camera is on, you're talking, and you can have picture in picture, like I said, and you can select the YouTube video here and add the link right here. So you can talk over the video, whether you have the sound or not. Now let's talk about sound. Okay, so if you go to the setting, you'll be able to select the ManyCam microphone, right? And you also have, your selection of camera. So this is something that you need to play with and make sure you don't have any echo by entering the equipment test, right? And I want to bring you back to ManyCam now to show you another way of picture-in-picture is you can have sideways, you can have up and down. So there's a lot of ways that you can play with. You can show simultaneously 4 different videos or 2 pictures, 1 video, 1 sound clip, 1 preset. Well, actually, I won't go over it so much in detail because you won't need it, okay? So this is it. I just want to bring to your attention that you can show the video while you're on the big screen talking, right? Or you can be in the small screen talking as well. Right click, picture in picture. Okay, so this is me. And what do? You can go to setting, and of course, you can have your camera on. And this is where you can have a preset. Let me show you how to do this. You can go zoom in and you won't see the rest of my green wall. All right. And you go to chroma key and you can turn on your chroma key. I have a whole tutorial on how to set up your background as well. Okay, so custom background is what I click. I'll go through this really slowly. And then you can upload your logo. All right, so that takes a little while. And so you see, this is my cursor, right? You click on the little drop syringe and you click on the background and make it better. Okay, and take away the green screen all the way. Okay, let's say you keep clicking and all the green is gone now. Click, 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 click. Go ahead and do yours. Pause the video. I know it's a lot covered in one session, but you probably will be better off trying it on your own. That's how I learn. I need to do it in order to learn it. Okay, so this is much better. So this is a preset as well. And now you go ahead to the bigger part of the screen. You right click on it, right? And then you can select, okay? Whether it is YouTube video, or you can right click and you can select the desktop, okay? The area under cursor. This is how you can bring your student up to the classroom and give them stickers as well. Okay, so I'll go over that in a separate video. You can also right click and go to a blank page. Say you want the color purple, and now you have a purple platform, and if you want to start a little message on that, you can do that too, because you can go under draw and text and start typing hello. This is a special session. Okay, say you have a meltdown of the IT platform and you want to show this is a special session, don't be alarmed, you're right here. Okay, so go to another part and you can drag this anywhere you want. Okay, now make sure you go to somewhere else, right? Maybe in the audio tab or in the video tab, you can do that. All right, hello, this is a special session. Now you can also right click on here and you can go to media files. And if you want to bring up another picture, such as I have a see you soon over here. All right, I can bring up the media picture. This didn't show as well as the other preset that I've done. So play with it. There are many different ideas. Now coming back to this, what I really wanted to show you is that you can have your YouTube video in the big screen here. Okay, so go ahead and copy it and paste the URL, the link. And also, this is where you can go to desktop, app window. I'm choosing Safari. And here I am going to show you so I think it's better if I can, oh, is it loading some of the, it's loading the, what you might call it, the commercial. Okay, so let's go back to somewhere else, maybe my own channel. Okay, my own channel probably has a better selection. Usually I have it saved on another tab, right? Anyways, let's get back to, what do I want to show you? I lost track. There's so much to show. Oh yes, I wanted to show you that if I don't have chroma key on for this screen, then I can show a better YouTube video or a better app window of my internet. Let's go to Safari. Oh, it's gone. My Safari is gone. That's fine. Maybe I can go for YouTube. I'm just gonna search quickly. Cecilia Wong, 5 little ducks. Okay. Make sure that you have the picture you want before you bring it on, because I don't know if friends and family want to see something that they're not prepared for, right? Okay, so I just cloned myself. Another way that I can have fun, of course, just a preview, is going to, say, a waiting room and go to audio. You can preload your audio and start playing a song. Yes, I am the person who sang it, so I'm not taking away any experience of my student learning about me. Okay, so I think that's it for today as an overview. If it's a lot and too much for you, make sure that you look up all the other breakdowns of the ManyCam tutorials. It's listed properly. Okay, so until next time, I will see you when I see you. Bye for now.